Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a simple fill-in-the-blank type statement in H5P. So under H5P content, either click on all H5P content and click Add New at the top, or click Add New when you expand the H5P content window. Give a meaningful title to the type of content that you're going to create. My question is going to be about ancient Greek actors. This is the second version I've created, so I'll just put a -2. For content type, I'm going to look for fill in the blanks and click the blue Use button to the right of it. I don't want to add any images or video with this. I just want to create a simple statement that people can answer. So it's already prompted, fill in the missing words. And then it gives you instructions about how to do this, and you have to add an asterisk in front of and behind the correct word or phrase that you want them to enter. And if you have alternative versions of the correct answer, you put a slash between them within the asterisks. So right here is the entry box where I'm going to create my statement. So I am going to write the maximum number of ancient Greek actors in a play was, and I put an asterisk in front of the correct answer, and I'll take either a number 3 or I'll do a / and also the word 3 written out, and put an asterisk behind the correct one, and then I'll just put a period. This is from one of Dr. Burns' lectures where she talks about ancient Greek theater. So back in the day, they only allowed 3 actors on stage for a play. So that's it. I'm just going to ignore the behavioral settings and text overrides for this one and go up here and hit create. Okay, here it is. This is the H5P that I created, and I'll just go ahead and check, and it accepted that. Let me try to refresh. Okay, let me type in also the word 3 and check that, and it accepts it, so we're good.